Thanks for joining me, Paul Reynolds, for this session on artificial intelligence technologies, safety, and small and medium-sized enterprises, including my AI checklist for SMEs. Today, we're talking about how small and medium-sized businesses can implement AI safely and effectively without needing an enterprise-sized team or budget. This is your practical guide to AI adoption that protects your business and unlocks real value. Let's be clear, AI isn't coming to SMEs, it's already here. Teams are using Microsoft Copilot to write documents, ChatGPT to generate ideas, and AI in CRMs to predict customer behavior. But many leaders don't realize just how embedded these tools already are in daily workflows. And that brings risk. We're seeing sensitive data dropped into public tools, Copilot surfacing documents people shouldn't see, AI generated content going out without proper review. Worse still, many employees are using AI in the shadows, without policies, without oversight. Large companies can build AI governance teams. Most SMEs can't. That's why this checklist exists, to give you immediately usable, risk-reducing guidance, not bureaucracy, just smart, scalable rules to help you use AI responsibly. And so let's start with the checklist first up, data protection. Never put confidential or client data into public AI tools. Audit who can access what in Microsoft 365. And when using Copilot, remember, it shows users anything they can access, not just what they should. If you handle client data, review contracts and DPIAs. You may need explicit consent before AI touches anything sensitive. Next, define what AI is allowed to do. Writing draft emails? Great. Providing legal advice or medical opinions? Absolutely not. Make sure staff know what's appropriate and that all AI-generated content is reviewed before it goes out. AI helps you work faster, but only if someone's still at the wheel. Always review AI outputs. We've seen companies blindly copy and paste AI content into public channels or client documents. That's a fast track to mistakes, or worse. Review it, check for accuracy, use templates to guide consistency, and for regulated firms, track the changes and tools used. Always review AI outputs. We've seen companies blindly copy and paste AI content into public channels or client documents. That's a fast track to mistakes, or worse. Review it, check for accuracy, use templates to guide consistency, and for regulated firms, track the changes and tools used. Even the best tools will fail if people use them carelessly. Train staff on AI risks using real examples from your sector. Build AI safety into onboarding. Keep the conversation going, create quick guides, answer questions, and encourage open discussion. For regulated industries, AI use must align with frameworks like GDPR, ISO 27001, and Cyber Essentials. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about avoiding breaches, audits, and reputational damage. Also, check with your professional bodies. Some have strict limits on what can be automated. Start small, focus on the highest impact areas like data handling and human review. Turn checklist items into real procedures and set a monthly review to keep your AI use safe, consistent, and aligned with your evolving business needs. This checklist is your foundation, but it's not the finish line. As your business grows and your AI use expands, you'll want more formal governance, maybe a steering group, more documentation or risk assessments. But that's step two. Step one is getting the basics right. Safe AI equals confident innovation. When your team knows how to use AI safely, they're empowered to do more. You don't need to choose between innovation and control, you can have both. This checklist helps your team move faster, smarter, and safer with AI. If you need help tailoring this to your business, that's what I do. You can contact me through paulreynolds.uk, YDC, or protects.co. Thanks for listening.